the soft landing narrative is supported by um, economic data remaining resilient, but coming down just a little bit, enough to where unemployment would actually come down a little bit, which would keep inflation coming down on this disinflationary path. But we don't want it to go down too much. It's a very fine line, a balance beam. What we don't want to see is household checkable deposits start deteriorating on a noticeable basis. That's what would get you into a recession. Unemployment skyrocketing, that would get you into a recession. But the data that came out recently is corporate profits had a strong acceleration. And this is not recessionary data. With corporate profits going up, the likelihood of unemployment ticking up has decreased. And so the market continues to walk this fine path of a soft landing scenario. But one of the key ingredients is inflation. We have to see the CPI year over year get down to the 2 level, which means core inflation has to keep going down and energy really has to keep decelerating. It really can't go sideways at this point, in my opinion, just based off how the resilient U.S. economy is kind of emboldening the consumer, the stock market being close to new highs, people's 401ks are up, people are getting the wealth effect back. And that tends to coincide with core spending. So I think an energy really has to start moving lower, in my opinion, along with food prices in order to kind of get the CPI number down there. So that's the other ingredient of this narrow path that the economy has to take in order for soft landing to manifest. It flies in the face of history. However, we've never seen what happened in the economy or with monetary policy globally like we saw with the response to COVID. It's created some strange anomalies. So it's something that I think, you have to be open to. And as of right now, there's no reason to doubt it, other than saying there's no way it will happen based off of history, the inverted yield curve, which I'm on board with. But there's no reason to, from the data, to suggest that it's not happening. And so until the data suggests otherwise, I would expect a continuation of this high beta style rally.